Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your online business with Shopify step by step clearly. Begin by evaluating your current online business situation. Identify which areas are underperforming. Analyze customer feedback to pinpoint common issues. Log into your Shopify account to review your store's performance metrics. Check your website's loading speed using online tools. Ensure that your site is completely mobile responsive. Inspect product descriptions for clarity and SEO optimization. Update low-quality images with high-resolution versions. Streamline your navigation to enhance user experience. Create categories that reflect your product range for easier browsing. Optimize your checkout process by minimizing steps. Implement cart recovery strategies to reduce abandoned carts. Consider adding customer reviews and testimonials for social proof. Integrate email marketing tools to re-engage previous customers. Identify your target audience and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. Utilize Shopify's built-in analytics to track sales and traffic sources. Experiment with different pricing strategies to boost conversions. Explore using social media advertising to reach a broader audience. Engage with your community through regular content updates. Evaluate third-party apps that can automate and enhance your operations. Set realistic goals for your business growth and measure progress regularly. Regularly review your competitors to stay ahead in the market. Adjust your marketing tactics based on real-time data and trends. Schedule periodic assessments to ensure your online store remains effective. Focus on building long-term relationships with your customers. Make continuous improvements based on ongoing feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.